Want to showcase your face or brand on your WordPress site totally for free? In this quick and thorough tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through adding an author's photo and profile in WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your posts feel more personal and professional, giving your readers a friendly face to connect with. Let's dive in. First things first. We'll take advantage of a free plugin that makes this process really simple, even if you've never tinkered with plugins before. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look on the left-hand side for the Plugins section. Click on it and then select Add New. This is where WordPress lets you install new features that other developers have created. Think of it like adding an app to your phone, just with a couple of extra clicks. Now at the top right corner, there's a search box. Click inside there and type in One User Avatar. This is a fantastic free plugin that specializes in letting you assign avatars, profile pics to your users, including authors. It's reliable, lightweight, and has a really straightforward setup, which is perfect if you just want results without a lot of confusion. Once you see the One User Avatar plugin appear in the search results, go ahead and click Install Now. This might take a few moments, so don't worry if it's not instant. It depends on your internet speed and your hosting. As soon as the button changes to Activate, go ahead and click that too. Activation is just a way of telling WordPress, yes, I actually want to use this feature right away. With the plugin activated, you'll see a new option on your site's left-hand menu called Avatars. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Here, you have the choice. Do you want to use some of the default icons or avatars the plugin provides? Or do you want to upload your own profile picture? If you're in a rush or just want something functional, selecting from the available pre-made avatars is quick and easy, almost like choosing a profile pic for a game. But if you want your visitors to really recognize you, I highly recommend uploading your own photo. It makes your profile feel more genuine, and it helps build trust with your readers. To upload your own, just hit the upload button and browse for a good, clear image of yourself or whatever represents your brand. Take a moment to make sure the picture is centered and not too cluttered. A simple headshot works best, kind of like the profile photo you use on social media. Once you upload, you may need to crop or adjust it for the best fit. Don't stress if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can always swap it out again later. And truly, that's all there is to it. Your author photo and profile will now show up anywhere your theme displays author info, like at the bottom of blog posts or in author bios. This tiny tweak goes a long way to humanizing your site. Readers are much more likely to engage when they can see the person behind the words. So if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, leave them in the comments. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help you out. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like more straightforward WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.